You know, apparently some people actually enjoy cleaning. It's true, some people find cleaning fun and actually relaxing. Meanwhile, relaxation looks a lot different to me. Hey, now this is my kind of fun. Well, it's worth a shot. And to make matters worse for us less inclined to enjoy cleaning, we actually have to spend money on the products that help us do the task we don't even want to do. Ugh. All right, I guess we'll be normal now. We've already discussed a handful of Amazon's Solimo brand personal care products. If you haven't watched that video, what are you doing? Check it out. The link will be down below. Patrick, can you get us that link? Patrick? He'll get us that link. But today we're exploring another exclusive Amazon line of products, Presto cleaning products. It seems like Amazon is not stopping anytime soon with the personal brands. I'm personally not mad about it. I love trying them out. So today, as I clean my dirty house, we are really putting Amazon Presto products to the ultimate test. And don't go anywhere because we're gonna do a cost breakdown at the end. So Presto versus name brands versus other discounted brands. How do they all compare? And what should you go out and get? All right, let's get into the video. Laundry, it's so exciting, isn't it? I mean, it'd be a lot more exciting if I had an in-unit washing machine, but I don't mind it. Both Amazon Solimo brand and Presto have a wide variety of detergents, so I'm pretty dang excited to test these out today. These are the Presto premium detergent packs in the fresh scent. Oh yeah, lots of packs. I can already tell they smell good. Comes with 96, so I'm not gonna be running out for a while. I'm not gonna lie, I am not usually a fabric sheets type of gal. The reason being it's just another piece of waste. But if you are a fabric sheets kind of person, I ain't judging. I will tell you right now, these smell incredibly good. We're gonna see how this, as well as the detergent, really stacks up compared to some of our favorite name brands. So I guess let's go do our laundry. Good old trek to the laundry machine. Love it. All right, the washer is going. We're gonna see how these stack up once everything's all clean. I only used one pod, which made me a little hesitant because I tend to just dump the detergent in when it's liquid, but they say you only need one, so I guess this is the real test of whether it's gonna clean my very dirty laundry. While that's going, let's check out the disinfecting wipes. All right, it's time to put these disinfecting wipes to the test. So we got fresh scent and we've got lemon scent. So let's just give it a go. So far, so good. Not really sure how a disinfecting wipe could go wrong, again, unless it's super dry, but these are not. Let's try one of the lemon ones. Somehow I always end up doing that. I definitely like the lemon scent a little bit more, and this one is way more wet than the other one. There's something about lemon scent that just makes me feel like germs are being killed. Did you see how much dirt came off my counter? It's more embarrassing for me and less like good about the product, but it does go to show these definitely work. They wiped up all the grime and grease from my countertops. So embarrassing. So yeah, $7.99, really good deal. I give this the Adrian stamp of approval. And the laundry is ready. Smells clean. I'm getting ahead of myself though. Let's dry it and then we will actually assess the situation. Presto does something really interesting with their cleaning solution, and I am here for it. As we all know, most cleaning solutions are sold as a single-use bottle. But guess what? Presto sells these little refillable pods. You just dissolve these little refillable packets into warm water in a spray bottle, and you can reuse this forever. I love that. So today we're putting it to the test. This refillable pack comes with glass, all-purpose, and bathroom cleaner. So I'm gonna fill 3 separate spray bottles, show you how it's done, and give it a whirl. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. I feel like there's still some in there though. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the other ones, and then we'll really put them to the test. All right, so I've got all 3 of the sprays complete now. So let's try them out. Gonna start with this glass cleaner, because as you can see, my mirror is pretty dirty. Okay, this does smell like Windex. Totally smells like Windex. So let's try it out. Whoa! That literally worked better than my Windex. That's the cleanest my mirror's ever been. I will tell you, from cleaning this all the time and it not getting that clean, 10 out of 10, this worked. I recommend It looks nice, it's environmentally friendly, it smells good. I recommend this. Now we're gonna go back to the all-purpose cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna say that definitely worked this time. I do think the glass cleaner worked a little bit better than this one, but my counter does look and feel very clean, and it actually doesn't have this crazy smell, which I guess is a good thing. We're wired to think that if it smells like cleaning solution, it works better, but guess what? That's not true. And then lastly, I'm gonna try out this bathroom cleaner. Ooh, something about green spray that I really like, but it smells really weird. It smells like plastic. Maybe the water was too hot. It's like melting the plastic. But how well does it clean? Why do I feel like I'm kind of just smearing things around? I'm not gonna lie, for the bathroom cleaner, nothing replaces Tilex bleach or Clorox. I feel like I just need that bleach to really feel as though my bathroom surfaces are truly getting clean. Overall, my favorite one by far was the glass cleaner. It worked amazingly well. In second place, we got the all-purpose cleaner. It does the job and it's good for the environment. I'm gonna have to give this a little more of a test later on this week and see how it goes. And in last place, the bathroom cleaner. I like the color, I don't like the smell. Okay. But for now, I think it's finally time to check on the laundry. Let's go. Fresh laundry time, baby. All right, so I just pulled the laundry out of the dryer. Nothing like warm, soft laundry. Remember I was saying it didn't smell that clean? Or it didn't smell a lot like detergent. It definitely smells clean now, but I think that's because of the dryer sheet. It smells amazingly clean. Feels pretty soft, pretty clean. So maybe that goes to show I really only need one of those pods. I didn't love that it didn't smell like detergent, but man, those dryer sheets definitely made these towels feel really soft. All right, I get it. I get why dryer sheets are good. Okay, so overall, I'm definitely impressed with the laundry detergent and the dryer sheets. I think they both worked. And in terms of whether it's worth it and is the price good, I'd say stick around for the cost breakdown and you'll find out. Welcome to the cost breakdown. Also, yes, I changed my shirt. I just did laundry. Starting right off the bat with the Presto laundry detergent pods. Now, this exact container of 96 pods costs $16.99. That comes out to about 18 cents per pod. Well, with Tide Pods, you can get an 81 count package, which costs $21.49, meaning that Tide is almost double the cost of Presto. For one of these little pods, the cost is 30 cents versus Presto, the pod cost is 18 cents. So for 18 cents a pod, I would rather buy these than Tide Pods. Absolutely. 10 out of 10 actually recommend these pods. Let's move on to the dryer sheets. These smell so good, and not only that, but literally with this just being opened a little bit, I can smell it from like 5 feet away. So these Presto dryer sheets went for $8.87, and it comes in a pack of 240. Now, when we talk about some comparable brands, we got Downy Lavender, which goes for $8.71 for a 200 count pack. Bounce, which goes for $10.99 for a 250 pack. And we've got, again, the discounted Walmart Great Value brand that goes for $6.77 for a 240 pack. And here's what I'll say about that. In my mind, dryer sheets are dryer sheets. Do they look the same? Yes. Do they feel the same? Yes. Do they smell amazing? Yes. So if you're gonna get dryer sheets, I feel like you probably should just get the cheapest ones. I have not tried the Walmart one, but that by far is the cheapest. And then the second cheapest being Presto. So if you're gonna go for the Presto detergent, why not go for the Presto dryer sheets? Now, let's talk disinfecting wipes. So far, I have been quite thrilled with these. These are actually Solimo brand, and the Solimo disinfecting wipes go for $7.37 for a 3-pack. Then we got Clorox, which is $16.62 for a 4-pack. So each one of these guys costs about $2.60, whereas the Clorox ones cost about $4. So again, Solimo comes through as the least expensive. 10 out of 10 recommend. They're amazing, so I'd purchase them. I already have. When you buy the Presto cleaner refills, it comes in a pack of 6. Each one makes a whole bottle, so that's 6 bottles that you can make. That refill pack costs $12.68. So that's about $2, a little over $2 per bottle. If we look at Lysol, another name brand, they sell 48 fluid ounce refills for about $3.67. So if we were to compare it to a 32 ounce bottle, it's about $2.44 for a 32 ounce bottle of Lysol refill and $2.11 for a refill of this. So the Presto is a better deal, and I also want to mention that it's just less waste. So if I were you, I would go with Presto because it's better for the environment and it's the least expensive. So all in all, I'm gonna give the Presto detergent packs 10 out of 10 or 5 out of 5. Totally 100% recommend. Yes. I'm gonna rank the cleaner sprays 4.5 out of 5. I'm docking them half a point just because the bathroom one is not as great and the all-purpose one is like 75% there but could use a little extra oomph. But again, the environmental impact is the most important part to me, so this is totally worth it in my opinion. So I'm gonna rate these 5 out of 5, all 5 stars for me. They work well, they smell good. What more can you ask for? So when it comes to quality and price, I'm gonna rank these 5 out of 5. But I'm really gonna rank them 4 out of 5 because again, with the environmental impact thing, we don't need these, but okay, I'm just gonna. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave any requests down below for video ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.